Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today I'm taking you on my first mall vlog. Let's get ready.
Check out the latest fashion trends here. So many cool clothes and shoes. I can smell something tasty. Let's head to the food court now. That food was awesome. Now let's head over to the electronics section. Whoa! These gadgets are so cool. All right, next stop, the kids' play zone. That play zone was super fun. Now let's head over to this amazing toy store. So many cool things here. Let's leave the toy zone and jump into the arcade. This is gonna be epic. Whoa! I'm in the lead. This racing game is so intense. I'm loving it. That arcade was thrilling. Time to cool down with some delicious ice cream. What flavor should I choose? That arcade was thrilling. Time to cool down with some delicious ice cream. What flavor should I choose? Wow! Look at these comics! Perfect for some fun reading time. After some reading, let's explore this cool shoe store. Check out those sneakers. These sneakers are comfy and stylish. Perfect for a monkey on the go. Time to check out some cool gadgets. Let's see what new tech is here. Look at these smartwatches and cool headphones. Technology is amazing. Time for some entertainment. Let's check out what movies are playing today. So many great movies to choose from. What should I watch first?
After movies, it's time for coffee. Let's grab a tasty drink and relax.
This coffee tastes amazing. Perfect way to end a fun day at the mall.
Our mall adventure is coming to an end. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.
I had a great time exploring the mall with you. Stay tuned for more adventures.